Vacant time leads to a vacant mind. Time does not wait for anyone. It moves swiftly and silently. Those who are able to value time are valued by time. Those who waste time are in the danger of being wasted by time. A person who is wasted by time is a person who has lost the opportunity to bring out his true potential in this world for his own benefit and for the benefit of others. Every second counts if we take charge of our life. Vacant time leads to a vacant mind, and a vacant mind is the devil's playground. He will lure us in a jiffy and make us traverse terrains that we will be ashamed of. The most important thing is to pre-plan activities for vacant periods of the day. We all know that there do come these time slots every day in which we have nothing to do. So instead of killing time or procrastinating, we must think of efficiently utilizing it. I'd like to give some suggestions in this regard. The first suggestion is that we should use this vacant time in counting our blessings. We can keep track of the comforts of life that we enjoy and start by naming them one by one in our minds. This will make us thankful individuals. The second suggestion is that we can use this time to increase our vocabulary. A good occupation of utilizing spare time is to pick up a vocabulary book and add more words to our repertoire of words. The third suggestion is that hunting for spare things in our houses and homes with which they are replete might also be very useful, because we know that we will never be using them in future. So let us choose to part from them by collecting them and then giving them away. The fourth suggestion is to utilize our memorization ability. We can memorize verses from our scriptures in a very, very important way so that we are able to recollect these verses, understand them, and also use them in our prayers. It keeps our minds tuned to God's remembrance. The fifth suggestion is that we can sympathize with people through social media in our vacant time. We must keep our eyes open for people who are in distress around us. Picking up the phone, writing an email, sending messages through WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram or other social media applications can be comforting for them and thus be a constructive way to pass our free time. So these are some of the suggestions that might be helpful in utilizing this vacant time that we seem to have a lot every day.